In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send any crypto on Kraken in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, the process I'm going to show you today works for any crypto. It doesn't matter if you want to send Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Litecoin, or any other coin on Kraken. It's basically the same process. For this video, I will be using Litecoin, but again, you can use any other coin you have. As you can see, on my balance, I only have Litecoin, so I have $11 right now. And if we want to send crypto to someone, all you need to do is click on withdraw right here or go to transfer and then withdraw. Now, once you are here, you need to search for the crypto coin you want to send. In this case, it should be Litecoin. Click on it and then it will ask you for the withdrawal address and the address nickname. This will be helpful if you want to identify this address so you can save it to keep sending money later. So you can also scan a QR code by clicking this icon right here. It should open your camera and this way you can send money just by scanning a QR code. For this case, I will be using a deposit address for Litecoin and then let's just save it, in this case as test, but it can be like any nickname you want. For example, if you're doing a deposit on your friend's wallet, you can add it as your friend's name. Then after that, it will ask you to confirm this address through email. So let's just go to our email and click the confirmation code. And after you have confirmed that that's the correct address, you will see something like this. So right here, you can enter the amount of Litecoin or the crypto you are sending. So for example, this is the Litecoin I have available right now. You can click it if you want to send everything. You can put a custom amount, and right here you will see the conversion of that specific amount of coins you want to send. So for example, let's say you are sending an order of $10. Let's just type in I don't know how much it is. It should be something like this. Okay, so if you need to send $10, for example, you could do it like this, then review, and here you got all the details about this transaction, so you can make sure that everything is correct. This is the address, this is the amount of Litecoin that the person will receive, this is the fee that they will take. You can also show the amount on USD or euros or your currency. It will depend on the default currency you have on your Kraken account. And if everything is right, just click on confirm and this will automatically send the money to the person. So in my case, I don't want to do it because I don't want to send the money, but you will be able to track the transaction if you go to activity, and right here you will see the history of all your transactions. In this case, it will be Litecoin withdrawal, and you can click it and see all the details about the transaction. So this way you can see the status and see if the withdrawal was successful or not. So that's it. That's how you can send crypto coins on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.